Hi everybody, it's Sean back at you with another video, and it's Tuesday, which means we have a supplier update. So pretty much everything is the same as the first week, so I'll pop that in the box here or here, whichever one it comes up in. So quickly just going through everybody. UK suppliers, all fine. I just went through everything to see if anybody had anything new. I did notice these from Petersham's. These are some gorgeous 60s headbands. So yeah, I was very excited when I saw them. So that was the UK. So all the suppliers in the UK are currently still trading. I've gone through all their social media. I've gone through all the websites. Everything seems fine. Australia, everybody is still trading. Adorn, Be Unique, Hatters Millinery Supplies. The store is still closed, online only for Hatters Millinery Supplies. Millinery Online, Top and Rena, Trish Millinery, all still trading online. Australia is done. US and Canada. So Judith M is now trading online. So be able to see that now. There's a bit of a statement on her website. Hat Supply, so New York Coast, Be Unique, Australia, America and Canada, all still online. Finally, all hat block makers are still trading, so that's fine, so you can get your hat blocks. And I just wanted to kind of point out that Be Unique have some classes which are coming up that'll be on the screen now, so check them out. They are online classes. In fact, a lot of people are doing online classes, so if you want a list of all the online classes, hit that like button down below and let me know that you want to see that. So yeah, not a lot, not a big video, not a long video. Just wanted to kind of put something out there just as, you know, a little update. Everybody is still trading. That is good. We want. Join me on Thursday. I am going to be live streaming on Thursday. I have a video coming out on Friday, so the live stream will be, I'm playing around with this thing here. Yeah, I have yet to figure out what I'm going to do with this, but that's something that I'm going to put together in a live stream on Thursday. And yeah, if you want me to go through my wish list of hat blocks, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you on Thursday for my live stream. So the live stream will be, I think I'm going to start it earlier, so it's going to be 5 o'clock Australia time, which is 5, I don't know, I think it's like 8 o'clock UK time, 8 o'clock in the morning UK time, 9 o'clock, 6 p.m, 5 p.m, sorry, 5 p.m. Australia time, yeah. Anyway, all my social media is listed down in the description box below, and yeah, I'll see you on Thursday or Friday for the video. Bye.